How to fix Telegram problem easily and fast. So first thing you wanna do, guys, is actually so easy. Just go into the settings on your phone and then go to the apps. Now scroll, click on Telegram. Now force stop the app and then go to permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back again. Click on storage. Click on the storage. Click on clear cache. Go back again. Click back here. Go to the settings. Now all what you want to do next is just click on this wireless and networks. Enable the airplane mode like this, and after let's say 15 seconds disable it and restart your mobile phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe.